from this equation, for solving this equation, fx double dot plus cx dot plus kx equal to f naught cos omega t. If we put this x into cos of omega t minus phi by taking the first derivative and second derivative and by putting these two values into this equation number 1, the equation becomes as a m into x double dot, that is the minus x omega square minus x omega square into cos of omega t minus phi, that is term, plus that cx dot, where c into x dot is the minus x into sine of minus x into omega into sine of omega t minus phi, plus that third term is a k into x, where k into x, that x is the x into cos of omega t minus phi is equal to f naught cos omega t. That will be that as written as the same as it is from the equation number 1. But already we know that cos of a minus b, sine of a minus b, cos of a minus b, that formula is already we know. What is the formula for cos of a minus b? Cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. So same formulas we have to use here. That sine a minus b, what is the sine a minus b? Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. In this way we have to apply this formula here. So write down below this the formulas and apply the formulas here directly. What is the formula? I will write here formula for cos of omega t minus phi. What is the formula? Cos omega t into cos of phi, cos a minus b, that is the cos a cos b, plus sin a sin b, that is the sin of omega t into sin of phi. Okay, in this way if we go for this sin of omega t minus phi, what is this formula? What is this formula? That is the sin omega t into cos of phi minus cos omega t into sin phi. In this way we have to apply such a formulas into the below equation. So apply this formula and tell me the answer. What is the answer? बघा यामधून काय तुम्हाला कॉमन काढता येते का बघा. You can see here, this is a common term, this is a common term. So k काय येणार या ठिकाणी बघा, remaining term is a k minus that x is the common term. So x if we take outside into bracket k minus m omega square bracket complete into that terminology is a cos omega t minus phi, that is the one term, plus that from this and this, from this both these stages, if we take outside term, that common term are cos into that is the x term, that is the common term. So if we take this common term as a x into cos of omega t minus phi, remaining term is a k minus m omega square, and second terminology is a remaining as a c omega into, that is the c omega into x into that terminology is the sin of omega t minus phi. That is the bracket complete is equal to, that will be equal to f naught into cos of omega t. Again you can see here that x term and that x term is again common. So if we take this x as outside, so what is the remaining term? K minus m omega square bracket complete into cos of omega t minus phi bracket complete minus that x is taking outside, so remaining term is c omega into sin of omega t minus phi bracket complete is equal to f naught into cos of omega t. Up to this all of you write down. बघा या ठिकाणी काय केलेलं मी, and now I have to put these formulas into this equation. बघा, I have split this equation. I have taken some common parts. Which are the common parts? That cos term is a common term. That x term is a common term in the three ways. So if we take this common term from only these two, काय राहणार आहे यामध्ये बघा, यामध्ये cos आहे, यामध्ये cos आहे. There is x, there is a x. So remaining term are k minus m omega square into cos term. That is for first and third term. And minus remaining term is a minus c x omega into sin of omega t minus phi is equal to remaining term as a f naught cos omega t. And based on this, if we take again there is a in both these terminology again x is a common. If we take this x as a common, remaining term is a k minus m omega square into cos of omega t minus phi minus c omega into sin of omega t minus phi is equal to f naught cos omega t. And now you have to apply the conditions of this cos of omega t minus phi or sin of omega t minus phi. You have to apply the formula. So apply the formula here. What is the formula बघा? X into bracket k minus m omega square bracket complete into cos omega t minus phi. What is this formula? That is the cos of omega t into cos of omega t into cos of phi plus sin of omega t into sin phi bracket complete. That is the bracket complete, internal bracket complete, minus that is the c omega into that sin of omega t minus phi. So I will write directly down c omega into that is the sin of omega t minus phi. Sin चा formula काय बघा, omega t minus phi, that is in bracket sin of omega t into cos of phi, that is the minus sin into cos of omega t into sin phi bracket complete, internal bracket complete, and bigger bracket also complete is equal to f naught into cos of omega t. Okay, so you can see now here what are the common terminologies with respect to omega t. बघा, या ठिकाणी काय दिलेलं आहे, there is a comparison. We have to make the comparison with respect to that left side and the right side. There is a f naught cos omega t. So we can write as a 0 into sin of omega t. That is the omega t, that is the 0 into sin of omega t is a 0. So only for the comparison I have put over there. So compare this both these formulas with both these first term and second term with respect to the cos and with respect to sin of omega t. काय राहिलं बघा या ठिकाणी omega t. From this we'll get the two equation. Okay, that there is a cos that there is a cos omega t and there is again cos omega t, and from this remaining term there is a sin omega t and this is a sin omega t. So we have to split this equation in terms of the two equation in terms of this cos of omega t and sin of omega t. So up to this, all of you write down. We will go for the next term. Okay, so I write here now by splitting this that cos equal to that cos term. So what will be the equation produces? X into bracket that cos omega t, that cos omega t is here, so that x into bracket the remaining term is a k minus m omega square into bracket complete into this cos of omega t into this cos of phi into this cos of phi minus this minus and this minus, it will be getting plus. कारण हे बघा this minus sign and that minus sign, that will become a plus sign into cos of, there is a, that multiplication factor is a c omega into that cos of omega t into sin phi is equal to, the terminology is with respect to cos, so that bracket complete and there is a f naught into cos of omega t. In same way we have to split this equation as for the sin omega t. How to split now? बघा या ठिकाणी, or we introduce this first. बघा cos omega t is here, that cos omega t is here and cos omega t is here, so we can erase this cos omega t on the both the sides. What is the remaining term? Remaining factor आहे बघा यामध्ये x into bracket k minus m omega square, that is small bracket, into remaining term as a cos phi, that is the cos phi plus c omega into remaining term as a sin phi, bracket complete, is equal to f naught. So you can say it as a Roman capital equation number 1. So up to this all of you write down, and same way we have to split this equation for sin term also. So write down this. I hope all of you completed. We go for the next step. I erase this up to this. Now you compare this equation. Now you compare this equation with respect to sin. Sin, there is a sin omega and t and there is a sin omega and t. So x into bracket remaining term as a, there is a x into k minus m omega square into this term. X into bracket k minus m omega and m omega square, that is the bracket complete term, into that remaining term is a sin omega t into sin phi. Sin omega t into sin of phi, that is the first term. Again there is a remaining term. Which is remaining term? So you can see here from this equation, remaining term is a k minus m omega square into sin omega t into sin phi minus राहिलेली term कुठले बघा with respect to sin phi, c omega into sin of omega t into cos of phi, bracket complete, is equal to, we have to compare now with respect to sin term, that is the 0 into sin of omega t. By taking the common terms outside, that sin omega and t, that sin omega and t, and that sin omega and t. These are the common terminology. So what is the equation is produced? That is the k minus m omega square, bracket complete, into, that is the sin phi minus c omega into remaining term as a cos phi bracket complete is equal to 0. Okay, so you can see that is the equation number second, and you can see also equation number 1. I will write here equation number 1 also. K minus m omega square into that terminology is a cos phi plus c omega into sin of phi, that is bracket complete is equal to f naught. That is the equation number 1. And now you see these two equations. There is a sine term, there is a cos term. There is a cos term, there is a sine term. Okay, that equation number 1 and equation number 2. You can see equation number 1 and equation number 2. If there is a sine, there is a cos. There is a cos, there is a sine. If we square and add these two equations, you will get a direct resolution. How will get resolution? We'll get directly resolution by the squaring and adding the both the equation. So how to square and add the two equations? Now we'll see here. By squaring, below this all of you write up to this you have to write, and afterwards further we'll go on the next step. Write down up to this. Write down there squaring and adding both the equation. For first equation, x square into bracket k minus m omega square, that will become a bracket square, into that will be a sine square phi. A minus b चा square काय असतो bracket square करायचं, squaring and adding the both the equation. A minus b bracket square करायचं म्हणजे काय असणार आहे a square minus twice ab plus b square. आता या ठिकाणी काय करणार प्लस मी काय घेतो बघा c square omega square into cos square phi, that is the first equation, minus 2 into ab, that is the a into b. काय येणार बघा 2 into common is x, काय राहिले बघा परत आता k minus m omega square, or x is a common term already we have taken outside, taken as a outside. So only a and b we have to twice ab. काय करायला लागणार आपल्याला a minus b square, a minus b bracket square is equal to a square plus b square minus twice ab. Twice 2 into ab. A is the k minus m omega square into sin of phi into that into काय second term, that is the c omega into sin of phi, and is equal to that terminology as a 0. That is for the second equation, and same will go for the second, will go for the first equation. That is the x square again into bracket k minus m omega square bracket complete into cos square phi plus there is a this term, that is the c square omega square into sin square phi plus 2 into ab, where a is the k minus m omega square into that term as a cos phi, that is the cos phi into sin of phi. Sin of phi is equal to our term as a f naught square, and based on this if we take the squaring and adding both the equation, you can see this minus 2k minus m omega square sin phi into c omega into cos phi, and here is also again there is a c omega for the second condition, and based on this and this both this 2sab twice ab that will be getting cancelled because of plus and minus sign, and you can see here in this equation there is a x square k minus m bracket square k minus m bracket it's one square into sin square and cos square. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So remaining term as a x square into bracket k minus m omega square bracket square, and this square sin square plus cos square is 1. So you can write directly as plus c square omega square cos square phi plus c square omega square into sin square phi. Means sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Means common terminology is a c square omega square is equal to that are 0 and equal to f naught square. This is our equation. So you can write this up to okay. Up to this, all of you write down. And based on this, x is equal to f naught x square is equal to f naught upon k minus m omega square bracket square plus c square omega square. Up to this, we have completed whatever is the remaining part. We will see in the next lecture. All of you write down this. I will wait for 2 minutes and we'll go for the attendance. Okay.